Hi guys, my name is Rishabh. Today's date is 31st of August to October 2022. Today's video topic is JWT architecture. JWT architecture is we can call it as Janssen working tokens. Janssen tokens format. This format we used for the security purpose because whatever the APIs we are mentioned in our server, that APIs will display to the user, and user can do the malicious type of work or hacking type of work using that APIs. They can change our server programs, and they can change our projects also. Means in short, for the security purpose, we are not going to share them the APIs, and if they are going to check the APIs, they are not able to change in our application, and they are not able to hit any APIs without our permission of a server. So because of that, previously we are going to use the one session of the user. So there is the concept of a session. Means particularly there is one session is generated for the one user who are present and in that session they are going to work. We can increase the session timing, decrease the session timing by the use of the application, by the demand of the client. So before that we have the multiple type of sessions, and for managing that session, that every session will consume the more RAM into the CPU. So that's why that session concept we will not using now. So now we are using the JWT token. So this JWT token is very useful for the security purpose. This is a standard tokens format. We are going to share the information by using this token format. So we are not going to share the total data. We don't have to store the data into the server and client server, and basically in the tokens we are going to communicate client to server. So this is, we can call client to server architecture. In that we are going to use that tokens. Means suppose I give the example that suppose one student will going to an admission get the admission in new class. So first he have to fill the form for admission, and that class will allocate them one roll number or one token, so that he can access the information of that person. So same in this way our token system will going to work. So whenever the client will request to the server, that server will first register that user and send them a token, and again whenever that user want to access the information, he also send that token to the server, and again server will check that token by encrypted information. That information whatever is sent through the token are in the encrypted format. So because of this encryption, only server will can read this information, and he check whether this token ID will match, token signature will match or not. So if this all the payload is also there, three types of sections is there, so this all the information is matched, then he going to give the access to the client, otherwise he is not giving the access to the client. So that is all about of the JWT tokens. Thank you so much.